What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make $1,000 per day just by using copy and paste and a Google trick. So this is super easy and doesn't take a whole lot of time, and it's a great way to get started making money online, or if you're already making money online or you just want a side gig, this is a great way to do it. So, as you can see, I'm here on Quora.com. We're going to come back to Quora because this is where we're going to be getting some articles to post, using copy and paste. But I just wanted to show you which websites we're going to be using first to make money. So, the first one here is called TextBroker. Now, you may have heard of this before, but if you haven't, this is where companies team up companies approach this website and want content created, whether that be blog posts or content for their website, and they basically put their jobs on here, and people can apply for those jobs or you know uh, offer their services of writing that content and get paid to do it. So as you can see here, I need content. This is for the businesses that are offering to have their content created or written. We would come over here because we are the writers, so we would say we write content. And if you go to payment, let's jump into how much you could earn off this. I know a lot of people using TextBroker. I have used it in the past. It is a great way. I do have some other ways I'm going to be getting into later in the video, so I suggest you stay with me. But yeah, if you scroll down here, it breaks it down into what you can be earning. So and what you earn is based on your rating. So obviously you start on a 2-star because you haven't written before for them. But as you progress, you can go further along and earn more per word. So as you can see here, open order versus direct order or team order. Open order is the most common one. This is you can pick. They can pick you, or you can pick anyone, or you can pick them. Direct orders are just for you. And this is where they ask. Team orders where they are ask for a specific group of people. So it's broken down there for you. But if you scroll down, it gives you average for a 4-star author. But it's got this little calculator down further down the website. Now, as you can see, 2 stars for 1,000 words pays you $7. So this website in particular doesn't pay a lot of money. The next website I show you does. But this is a great way to just get started if you just wanted to get your feet wet and try it. As you can see here, yeah, 2 stars, 1,000 words, $7. As you go up the grades, you get $10 for 1,000 words. As a 4-star, you get $14 per 1,000 words. And then if you go up to 5 stars, it jumps up to $50 per 1,000 words. And you can scale this back to 350 words for $17.50. Or you can go up to 5,000 words for $250. I should say that 5 stars is quite hard to get to, but once you do, you can be making quite significant amounts of money just by doing the littlest amount of work. So more realistically, you'll make your way up to a 4-star. And if you do, the more you write, if you go up to a bigger article, like 5,200 words, then you can be paid $72.80, and that can go right up to 12,000 words, for $168. And if you're a 5-star, that's $600 right there. So, it's not a lot of money, but it is money, and it is earning money online. So I would suggest just giving it a go. But yeah, if it's not your thing, the next thing might be for you because it is more bang for your buck, and you can make more money for less work than TextBroker. But TextBroker is a great website. I have nothing against them, and lots of people do use them around the world. So yeah, this is the website I really want to show you. It's called Money Pantry, And basically, this is a personal finance blog. It posts a whole bunch of articles on different ways to make money online. Um, you can read about it. It's yeah, as it says up here. This is not a get rich quick site. It's basically just teaching you how you can, or giving you resources and various ways to actually make money online. So if you click on earn money, I'll just show you here. Um, what it presents is a whole bunch of articles and different ways to make money. So you can see here 3 ways to write reviews for Amazon and get paid, not just free products, 45 ways to get paid to play games online for free, 11 highest paying plasma donation centers near me. I mean, that's a bit weird, but yeah, they've got lots of different ways to make money online, and it's just giving you the information. I mean, it just shows you these are ways that people are doing it. As you can see, this is one page of about 69, so there are plenty of resources here. But I did want to get into one in particular, and that is to get paid to write. Now, you're probably saying I don't have time to write, and you might have been put off by TextBroker, but stick with me because that's when I'm going to show you how to use Google, to not have to necessarily write these posts to do it. So, yeah, this article here is 101 sites that pay you $50,000 to $3,000 per blog post. And if you scroll down here, it does break it into various categories. So you can pretty much write about anything you want. If you are interested in writing, then you should, or you could write these articles yourself. But as I said, there's ways to not have to write about it. But yeah, I mean, you can pick any of these categories here and cover any topic you like. So if you scroll down, you can see it's broken into those various categories. Transitions abroad here. And this one is $150 per post. It does, tell you the price. So Wanderlust, £220 per post. So maybe that one's exclusive to the UK. Great Escape Publishing, $50 to $200 per post. So there's plenty here. There's one that I did look at earlier, and I liked the look of the website. I mean, look at this one, Motorhome, $900 per post for RV enthusiasts there. But you can earn a lot. This one here, Vibrant Life, general interest is quite good because it means you can write about so many different topics. So I did want to have a look at this one. This one's broken it into per word, 35 cents per word. Yeah, so I won't go through every one, but there are a lot there, so I would suggest going through them and finding ones that you kind of like the look of. But here, if we go to vibrantlife.com, as we clicked on the link, it will take us to the site. I don't know why it's taking so long to load up. See, it might be because I'm recording, guys. Just bear with me here. Is it loading up? Let's try that again. Let's have a look here in the meantime. This one here, $125 to $375 per post. This one here, pay unknown. So some are unknown, but you could probably, check it out and find out. Short stories. Look at this one, $500 per to $1,380 per post. So they vary quite a bit. Okay, so I think we've got this here. Yeah, Vibrant Life. So it brings you to this page. This is the blog itself, Vibrant Life. Gives you writers' guidelines, tells you how to submit, the style that they're looking for. The manuscripts, articles should focus on one topic and stay with that subject till the end. Reliability, the information must be reliable. So, have a read of that. And then if you continue to scroll down, because this is a general interest blog, they have all these various ways, all these various topics on which you can write articles about. So, health, exercise, nutrition, self-help, any of this stuff. I, in particular, like exercise, so, for this video, we can get into that. So once you've found a topic you want to post an article on, that's when you come back to Quora. Okay, now Quora is where we're going to be finding our resources or our information to put into these posts. So if you search Quora, if we're following exercise, we want to go something along the lines of best exercise. Best exercise. You can type in best exercise program or how to exercise. And what you want to do is you want to find a question and answer type article. So there's this one here, but that's what is the best exercise equipment. That's quite specific there. Big shoulders. This one here, what are the best exercise, workout, and fitness hacks? And there's 41 answers there. So let's click into that one and see what this brings up for us. And what you want to do is you want to find quite a big article, one that goes into quite a bit of detail. So this one here isn't too bad. Let's have a look. This one's quite good. You want to have a read of these to find stuff that you might want to add to your article. Yeah, this is a good one. So you can take bits and pieces from each of them. It's not, we are copying and pasting, but you don't want to copy entirely. If you're going to be writing it, you can copy the whole article, paste it into a doc, and just edit it. Spend some time editing it so it's not an exact copy of the original article. But if you don't have time to do that, that's where you can use a little Google trick that I found here. What you want to do is you want to either split your screen or bring it up on another tab. But you want to go into a Google Doc here, and what you can do is in here you've got tools and you've got voice typing. So you want to click on that. And what this does is this just allows you to speak into the microphone and Google will write the words for you. So just to show you as an example, click on the microphone. Whoops. Best way to exercise to lose weight. Okay, I might be having a few problems because of the recording here. Let's start again. Best way to exercise. There you go. Now, I know that took a long time, but that is just because I'm recording my screen. It doesn't normally take that long, so don't be put off by that. But yeah, what you can do is once you've got those articles copy and paste into a doc, what you can do is you can take a bit from this article, a bit from this one, a bit from the next one. When you want to take little bits from each article and put it together, and then what you can do is you just read it with the microphone recorder on the Word on Google Docs on, and this will just type everything that you say. It's a really quick way to get an article written because obviously we can talk faster than we can write. So this is a way to get it done super quick. So once you've done that, you can copy and paste your whole article and paste that into the website that you want it. So you can post it as long as it sticks to these guidelines. You can post it and start earning money. So they will pay you to make those posts. Yeah, so that is basically it. That's the way you can. It's just a simple copy and paste, and you want to either edit it or you can reword it in your own way and just speak to the microphone here and post it on websites like this, or find some more that you want to get involved with, or you can come back to TextBroker and just simply write their articles for them. You just so you can also use the Google Doc technique with TextBroker as well. If they want a particular article written, you can look up the answers on Quora and narrate it and get it typed up. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and you learned something. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I try to make videos as frequently as I can, just to help you guys build that build that income online, for whatever reason you want. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.